To set up TurboTax, start by going to the TurboTax website and selecting the product you want to use, such as TurboTax Deluxe or Premier. Click on the Start for Free button to begin the process. You will be asked to create an account or log in if you already have one. Enter your email address and create a password. Then click on the Create Account button. Next, you will be prompted to select your tax filing status, such as single, married, or head of household. Choose the correct status and click Continue. You will then be asked to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Enter this information accurately and click Continue. Now you will be asked to import your W-2 information from your employer or enter it manually. If your employer is a participating partner, you can import your W-2 directly into TurboTax. Otherwise, you will need to enter the information manually. Make sure to enter the correct information, including your employer's name, address, and tax ID number. After importing or entering your W-2 information, you will be prompted to add any additional income, such as interest from a bank account or dividends from investments. You will also be asked to claim any deductions or credits you are eligible for, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or mortgage interest deduction. Once you have entered all of your tax information, TurboTax will guide you through the process of reviewing and filing your tax return. Make sure to review your return carefully to ensure everything is accurate and complete. If you need help at any point during the process, TurboTax offers support through phone, email, or live chat. Finally, once you have completed and reviewed your tax return, you can e-file it directly with the IRS through TurboTax. You will receive a confirmation email once your return has been accepted. And you can also track the status of your refund through the TurboTax website. By following these steps, you can easily set up and use TurboTax to file your taxes quickly and accurately.